Greetings everyone and welcome to your channel Informatic University. In this video, I will present to you how to install Zotero. First thing first, what is Zotero? Zotero is a free software that helps you collect, organize, and save your references in efficient way for your references. You see in this the interface of Zotero. So in this side, you will see. Uh, a bunch of folders. Okay, so you can make in each folder the article you wanna use for each chapters. Okay, so in chapters 1 you make the article that you want to include in chapter 1 and so on. In this middle one, you will see the articles that you added in this software, in the Toro software. Okay, we will dive in this in the next video inshallah. And in the last in this interface, on in this last side, you will see the informations about these articles. Okay, information like the ECSN, like the UIs, like the authors, like the journals of this article. Okay, uh, also articles has extension that helps you to edit quickly your references. These extensions, uh, it it's working in any browsers. Okay, so yeah, organize your work like we said in first site install. Also Zotero has extensions in words and latex, okay, or overleaf, that helps to add your references and bibliographic quickly directly from the word or overleaf. Okay, so yeah, this is about all about Zotero. Inshallah, in next video we'll dive more in this software, but this video is made only for the installations. Okay, so we will click in download. Here we have Zotero 7 for Windows and Zotero connectors. We will keep with Zotero 7 for Windows. If you have other uh, version of Windows or other uh, exploitation system, you can choose from here. Okay, we will stay with this, so we will click in download. We will wait until the system to be downloaded. Okay, the system has been finished. So okay, so we'll try to install it, or we'll install it. Okay, we'll click on yes. So we click next. This setup type, the self-standard, uh, it says Zotero will be a standard with the most common option. Custom, you may choose individual options. We will keep with standard. Okay. Here for me, I have already this Zotero, so it's made upgrade. But for you, I think you will show install. So we click or install. Okay. So it's installing Zotero and updating in same time. So yeah, so I click on finish and launch Zotero. So Launcher will be launched. Okay, we will do this inshallah in next video, but we'll keep with this interface. So yeah, here is Zotero. Uh, like we said, in this site you will find folders. In each folders you have articles. If you click in one articles, you will show this site that information of these articles like author, abstract, language, and other informations. Okay, for me the tutorial is made in dark way, but if you like to make it in light theme. Okay, so we click on settings, in edit you click in settings. In general, you can choose automatic, light, or dark. Okay, for me I like the dark one, so I will keep it in dark one. So here is the tool. Okay, here this is the first part for explaining this software. I wanted to make this one direct and simple, only focusing on installing Zotero. In the next video, I will show you how to add Zotero in the browsers, and how to make this chapter and add articles in this software. Okay, so in the end, what I say, see you.